Don't, you're gonna burn your nose. I'm telling you, girlfriend.
It doesn't burn. It smells good.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Humble Mama Hustle, and I just want to say thank you for visiting my channel and watching my unboxings. I appreciate it so much. But I just wanted to go through some of the Spice Madam spices from Pakistan. So I have the cardamom, however you pronounce that, and I'm assuming you could just throw the whole seed into the recipe, or you grind it up with a grinder and put it into the recipe. So that's really neat that it gives you the whole seed. And then we have your cumin seeds, which is perfect for just even American chili, where you just throw the cumin in there. And I'm pretty sure you can smash these up to get more of the flavor to emerge from the seed. And then you have the 3 chili turmeric blend. And I have already done this. I've smelt it. It doesn't matter how far away my nose is. It still goes up my nose. It's got 3 chilies in it, so don't smell it like I did. I'm done. I'm done.
I'm done.
And this next one is the garam masala. I'm not even sure if that's how you pronounce it, but this is a chili blend as well, but it's not spicy like the 3 chili and turmeric is spicy. You've seen it. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 recipe cards, and it has all your recipes on the back. It tells you on the back which recipe, what the recipe is for. So you have the appetizer, the side, the main dish, another side, and then dessert. And it tells you the prep time and the cook time. And it also, all 5 of these recipes are vegan and gluten-free. So that's great. That's awesome to have. And then it has all your Pakistan shopping list on the back as well. Yeah, but it's really neat to know what spices come from what place, what country. So it's great to know, and they have some recipes on hand if you feel like doing something different, which I'm planning on doing that because I want to try this stuff. Just saying. So there you have it, and I really hope you enjoy my videos, and I'll see you at the next unboxing. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Boop. I need to know what something's called that I forgot. Yeah, come here. So I said you throw the whole seed into the recipe or you grind it. Damn it. Never mind. See, I needed you.